In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show low stock alerts on Shopify. Low stock alerts are a simple way to create urgency for shoppers and help prevent overselling. We'll set this up directly in your Shopify theme so your store can display messages like only a few left, or even show the exact quantity remaining when inventory is low. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. Click login, then sign in with your preferred method. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look at the left sidebar and select Online Store. On the themes page, find your current theme and click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor where you'll manage what appears on your storefront. Inside the editor, you'll see a panel on the left listing sections on the current page. Locate the Featured Collections section and open its drop-down to view its settings and blocks. Within that section, open the header drop-down as well so you can see all the available options. Now click Add Block. In the search field, type Inventory. From the results, choose Product Inventory. This block is what powers the low stock messaging on your storefront. With the product inventory block selected, look for the setting to adjust the low stock threshold. This number controls when the alert appears. For example, if you set the threshold to 5, the alert will show whenever the product's available quantity is 5 or less. Pick a number that matches your typical order size and how quickly items tend to sell, so the message feels meaningful without being overused. Next, enable low stock quantity if you want the exact number to show, such as only 3 left. If you prefer a simpler message, you can leave this off and customers will see a general low stock alert instead. Remember that this alert is based on tracked inventory, so it will only appear for products where inventory tracking is enabled and quantities are accurate. If you work with variants, the alert updates based on the variant the customer selects. When you're happy with the settings, click Save in the top right of the theme editor. That's it. Your store will now display a low stock message on items that meet your threshold, helping shoppers make quicker decisions while keeping expectations clear. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Wording and placement can vary by theme, so if your labels look slightly different, the process is the same. Add the product inventory block inside the relevant section and set your threshold. Also, revisit your threshold as seasons change or demand shifts to keep the alert useful rather than overwhelming.